In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Business Profile verification issues in 2026. If you're unable to verify your business or the verification keeps failing, this guide will help you solve the most common problems. First, sign in to your Google account and open your Google Business Profile. Check the verification status and see which verification methods are available, such as video verification, phone, email, or live video call. If one method isn't available, Google may require a different option based on your business type. Before starting verification, make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, and category are accurate. If you're completing a video verification, record your real business location, storefront sign, equipment, products, or workspace as requested. Ensure the video is clear and follows Google's instructions. If your verification request is rejected, review the reason provided, correct any inaccurate information, and try again. Also, avoid making major profile changes while your verification is being reviewed, as this can delay the process. If you've tried every available method and still can't verify your business, contact Google Business Profile Support and provide any requested documents, such as a business license or utility bill, to confirm ownership. That's how to fix Google Business Profile verification issues in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.